What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, I have some RTR business. That means Gabby is taking over today's vlog, getting some stuff done on her RTR Spec 2.
Hello? Ah! It is recording. I don't know if I look good. Anyway, as you all know, I put my car into the ditch. Embarrassing. But I'm slowly buying parts, and I have some things I need to put on my car. I also broke one of my end links, and I have that. I bought it, so that also happened. Don't know if it was related to the ditch or not, or just me. Maybe jumping my car a couple times. That might have been the reason. I actually jumped my car today. I haven't told my dad about that. I was going like 50 over some railroad tracks downtown, and again, I didn't think it was gonna, put my car in the air. I thought it would have been fine, but it wasn't. Okay, let's get started. The side being a little naked. I didn't put the skirting on. I took it off because it came off when I was in the ditch. Actually, it was dragging. Oh, look, here it is. So I need to put that back on my car so then I can put the RTR part on. I grabbed this. This is not what my dad told me. So I'm gonna go with this so I can go ahead and get like all this dirt and stuff off. And I apologize for the camera work, guys. I am not my dad. You get what you get. And you better not throw a fit. So I cleaned like this area. I'm not really too worried about this. Like that's fine. But I cleaned this because this is where it's gonna, like the RTR skirt is gonna go. But I grabbed some glue gun because there's still like some leftover super dirty 3M tape. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning. Hopefully like I use this glue gun stuff right. Not really sure, but so I got all the old tape off, kind of, to the best of my abilities. And now I'm gonna try to put the new one on.
What?
Over here, clanking around in my video. Okay, I just unboxed these. Took me forever. I'm a small person, okay? This also hit me on the head when I opened the box. So we have these fancy alcohol prep wipes, automotive adhesion promoter, the baby clips, and instructions. OEM. Which one's the OEM? Is this one the OEM? Okay, so I'm pretty sure I clean with this, and then I put this on. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put the thingy on here. I don't use proper car terminology. I'm putting this thingy on this thingy, and then I'm putting the whole thingy on the side thingy. Okay, now that we got that off, I'm just gonna line it up. Cute, it lines up. I'm going to go jack my car up and then put the push pins in so it'll stay. Yeah, let's get started. Ooh, that's so cool. Okay, you're in a tree. How does it feel to be part of nature? We are going to move this over. Stay. I have the baby pins. Oh my god, this is so annoying. Hold on. Okay. I'm struggling. Snap in. I don't understand. It was really easy to pull this thing off. Maybe if I kick it. Maybe if I start hitting it. Oh, guys, this is working. No! The whole thing came off. I'm getting my dad. I'm trying to punch it, but it's not going.
Punch what?
I'm trying to punch this with like this one. I haven't started hitting it with that, but as soon as I hit one end, the other end pops
All right,
out.
move this because you're starting to get dirt already on that thing, and all that's going to happen is that's not going to stick.
I didn't think about that.
Yeah, I can tell. Are all the clips out of the bottom?
I think so.
You think so or you know so?
I mean, we were able to yank it out, right?
That doesn't mean that all your clips are out.
Yay! Thank you. Oh, dang it. Thank you. If you believe, you can achieve, y'all. But sometimes we need help. My knee. Why isn't it doing the thing it's supposed to do? Guys, I'm out of energy. I will say it's definitely easier to put things on cars when they're not damaged.
What's going on? What am I
I
doing?
need to put this pin
Okay, which direction does it need to go?
up.
And you can't push it up?
No, because I need this to line up and it's not lining
Which direction does that need to go?
up. In.
Okay, so hit it with the butt of your hand. I mean, you just go boom, boom, boom.
But it's not lining
And I would not lay underneath the car like that, especially with that jack, because that jack likes to drop.
up. Ah!
Yeah, so.
I thought this was the good one.
No, that is not the good one.
Ah, you tell me this now.
I didn't know that you were shoving your body underneath there. You got
what?
You got one of the old push pins in there, and that's why it's not going in.
Oh.
Yeah, so that needs to come out. You're gonna have to pop this thing off.
Again?
Yep. Or at least pop this portion of it off. Yep. There you go. I don't want to grab that or not. Just let it fall. Yeah, you got one right here. Ah! Fine.
Why did you do such a thing? I'm gonna stick here. Thank you.
Yep. That was my second time out here. You can only get 3.
Yay! Ow! You know what? I'm just gonna use the original. Oh, I'm dehydrated. I'm so dizzy. My spirit has been broken. Do you guys like my pants? They're from Target. Why is the band playing turned on? We're almost there. It's a struggle. I'm, the captain of the struggle bus. The bus driver, if you would. We get to our destination. Do we hit some bumps along the way? Do we need roadside assistance? Yes. But we get to our destination 2 weeks later? Yes, but we arrived. Now it is time to remove this little tape. Isn't this so satisfying, y'all? Ah, it broke.
And it hasn't fallen off yet, so I mean that's fairly good. I don't think it's aligned the same way as the other, but I mean it's on there, right? Maybe it is. I don't know. I'm gonna say good job for now, considering it took you like a whole day to get it done.
It wasn't a whole day, it was less than that.
It was pretty much a whole day. The sun was high in the sky, and then it became low in the sky. So I would say that was almost a whole day. But hey, you know what? Let's just call it successful, okay? Everybody, make sure to go ahead, if you haven't already, like and subscribe. you know, there's a bell notification down in here somewhere too that you can hit that. And Gabby, since this was your very own episode, I'll go ahead and let you close us out.